A Docker volume is a persistent storage mechanism that is used to manage data in the Docker containers. So volumes are stored outside the container's file system, making them independent of the container lifecycle. There are certain key characteristics of this. Data stored in volumes persist even if the container is stopped or deleted. These volumes are isolated from the container's file system. Okay, so it has the isolation feature. Then these volumes can also be shared among the multiple containers, and all these volumes are managed by the Docker, providing a higher level of abstraction. So these volumes can be created, attached to containers and deleted independently of the container lifecycle, and that is something you need to note.